This is the third video in solving graphical inequalities for GCSE students, problem solving. Here we have another graph and we have three inequalities that we have to draw onto this graph paper and then shade the areas that are unwanted. So by now, hopefully it's becoming more clear that where x is less than or equal to 2, we have to draw the line where x equals 2. And let's just do that there. And if the values are less than 2, then we have to shade everything that's greater than 2 on the x-axis. There we are. This one now, we have to find, this is already in the form mx plus c. So the gradient is 2 and the y-intercept is -2. So let's find -2 on the y-axis and a slope of 2. So slope of 2 is this. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. This is the y step. This is the x step. So for every 2 we go up, we go 1 over, 2 up, 1 over, and so on. Let's bring out the ruler to do the hard work. And we need to go through all of those points there. Now this says less than. Notice less than, not less than or equal to. So this will now be a dashed line. Now, y is less than or equal to 2. So that means we have to shade everywhere where y is greater than this line. Okay, last one. This one's in a less friendly format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this down here. X plus y plus 2 is greater than 0. So I want this in the form y equals x plus mx plus c. So I'm going to leave my y here, and from both sides I'll take 2 and I'll take x. So it'll be -x take 2, which means this is my y-intercept, -1 is my gradient. So where is y equals -x minus 2? Start with the y-intercept, -2, same place as the previous line. The difference here is that the slope is -x. So for every, this is -1 on 1, for every 1 we go down, we go +1 this way, and so on, all the way. So it's 45-degree angle down. And we're dealing with less or greater than, so we need a dashed line again because there's no equal to. The value cannot be on this line. Y is greater than, so that means that y, any of the values above this line are eligible, so we'll shade everything below. And so it goes. So our region is dashed in here, solid here, and then dashed again here, and we have to label it. And we've shaded all the unwanted regions.